With Coach Nico and Coach Melo. Wait lang. Coach Nico and Coach Carmelo.
Hindi, tumayo lang yung matanda.
Sorry. Come on. Sorry.
Pwede yung palitan si Kuya Rizal.
Oo nga naman. Huwag niyong palurin si Kuya Raver naman.
Okay, here, center, and 1, 2,
3. Nanalo ako.
Okay, got that. Okay, here, 1, 2, 3. And coach, okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go.